This is one of our standard machine models. Its size is quite small and easy to move, so it's very popular in laboratory and some personal warehouse. They use it to cut very small size materials. This is the front view, and on the right side, there is a control panel. It's a tablet which you can move it to anywhere you need. The design is very human. You will feel the whole operation is very convenient. Wheel cover is magnetic suction design is very easy to remove. Under the wheels, there is a drainage channel. If you use wide cut, it will lead wastewater to the water tank. The tank is inside the machine base, which makes the machine size smaller. Every part on the operation table has fully sealed waterproof design. They did very carefully treatment to make the machine qualified to do wide cut. This is a clamping device. It's driven by air pressure. Here is the air pressure inlet. And this tube connected to the clamping button. The whole machine has one plug only. It's at the back of the machine. This is electric cabinet. There are two vents to help dissipate heat from electronics. And here is a light to help you see the cutting process clearly at dark place. The base of the light is fixed on the machine. And at this corner there is a warning light, which will light on when the machine is running. You can also put on the protection cover. It can prevent water from splashing and falling the floor.